further down now. The car's oh.
Hi guys, hey, here we go. Another Saturday, another shave, and boy have we got a good one lined up for you today. And it's September. It was the 1st of September yesterday, so party on, dancing in September. Begone ye summer months, we're heading into fall. Treats all the way. So come on, let's crack on with today's shave. Before we do anything else, we'll put the brush. That was Badlands shaving. I know you could sit and watch me sing and dance all day, but we have to crack on. There you go, the official John Shaves Super Soaker. The razor that we're using today, very kindly gifted to me from Mark Davis. I think that's over there in Florida. Thank you, Mark, very kind, very much appreciated. Matty Lindholm MLS 21 razor, and we're going to be putting in that the blades that Mark very kindly sent me as well. RK blades. These are good blades, guys. I like RK blades. I don't know if these are different to the RK blades I've got in there. We're going to find out. There you go. And if you're wondering why I keep doing this, it's because RK have got a tendency, and they've asked my permission to freeze, take a screen grab and put it on their website. They've done it several times. So we're going to put that in there. Look at this. Very smooth, very well engineered piece of kit. We're going to talk a little bit more about this razor throughout the shave. We'll put that in there, in the water, get some heat in that blade. We're going to balm up. That was gifted to me by Scouse Ian. This is really good stuff, guys. Really good stuff. And as you've seen in the, hopefully in the trail to this video, I was in Pasteurs quite recently, and this was one of the sets that I got. Talk a little bit more about that soon, but here you go. Did you notice on the little start of my video, right at the very start, a little bit with a bell, click, subscribe and everything? Now got a 5% discount, all caps, John 101. It's the same discount for Frank Shaving, and it used to be the same discount for what was it called, shavingtime.co.uk, all caps, John 101. And Pasteurs will give you 5% discount, and it helps the channel too, and it lets them know that you know, you're watching the videos, and my videos having an impact on their sales, and it all helps build a relationship between the channel and Pasteurs. But here you go. Empire State of Mind, imposing, attractive and elegant as John is from John Shaves 101. The Empire State represent a collaboration between Pasteurs Pharmacy and Hendrix Classics, which brings ultra premium fragrance, and it is. The fragrance is a dupe of Sauvage Elixir. Now, I had Sauvage Elixir and I gifted it just a couple of weeks ago to my son, and I can tell you, not only is this spot on, I actually think this is better. And I'm not just saying that, I genuinely do. Experience the fragrance, attractive and elegant. Top notes of cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, grapefruit. Middle notes, lavender. Base notes of licorice, sandalwood, amber, patchouli and Haitian vetiver. And guys, it just, look, there's pretty flat, pretty, you know, Hoffman's. I like all the pictures. It looks like tree roots and stuff, but this just looks like it was maybe a hot pour, left to settle, left to go cold. I don't know, but it really does. Do you know? I get subtle hints of vetiver and licorice, but it really does smell like a really expensive aftershave cologne. And there, like, look, I've not do you do that? I haven't even smelt the splash yet, so we'll get that off. We'll put the splash on a little bit later. That's there. What are we doing now? We're going to get a sup of coffee, and then we're going to start this shave. What am I on today? Starbucks. Not a fan of Starbucks coffee, guys, but my daughter went in, and because she was such a regular customer, I mean, how sad is this? Because she was such a regular customer, they gave her a bag of coffee beans for free, and I'm using them up to save the good stuff from New York for when it gets a bit darker and a bit colder. So cheers, everybody. Starbucks coffee beans. I ground them myself. Oh, that's my morning slurp of the day. That's my evening slurp of the day. Let me know what yours is. Come on. We need to crack on, don't we? We need to crack on and get this razor. I'm going straight in. And look, you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. Look at this. Lathering already. This is good stuff, guys. Don't expect anything else from HC&C. Okay. The sun, very low bright winter sun behind the bathroom window. It's just gone in, must have gone behind the cloud, and it went a little, well, look at this, guys. Look, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a very thick, very, very dense lather. I think this is going to be a good one. Oh. Oh yeah, the scent strength I would put slap bang in the middle. I'd put it about a 5. I wouldn't say the scent strength increases when you lather up, but the what do we call it? The fragrance being released into the air. You'll all be screaming, won't you? You'll all be screaming though. The scent has filled the air in the bathroom. So although it isn't any stronger, it does feel more aromatic when wet, which in a shaving soap, let's be honest guys, that's what you want, isn't it? Check this out. Absolutely wonderful. Superb stuff. Superb soap. And here we go. Matthew Lindholm, I've only heard good things about this. Now, I was confused. I'd seen Yaki brought out a similar handle. And the reason for the confusion was when Matthew Lindholm brought this out, I wanted one. But I would say Matty's almost part of a community within a community. You know, the wet shavers, and there's about half a dozen and maybe 10 of them all do the straight razors and all use Swedish soaps, and they all get on, and you know, like Dave Card, and there's another one. It's great. They're all like a little community within a community. And I knew Matty wasn't making a lot of these, so I knew the chances of me getting one were pretty slim. So when it came out, hence, I didn't really pay a lot of attention to it, because I never really thought I'd end up getting one. But thanks to the kindness and generosity of Mark Davis, there's one in my hand now, and I'm absolutely delighted to have it. So, and doesn't that head, you know Sinatra Lennon? He's got that old Gillette, is it a 1908 or something? And the minute I saw that head, that's what it reminded me of. So we know the blades are going to be okay, don't we? So we're going to have a shave. Yeah, absolutely superb. This is a good shaver, this, guys. This is a very good shaver. Here we go, look. And because of its narrow head, it's so good. I would imagine it'd be good for getting under the nose. So anyway, please let me know. Please let me know what your slurp of the day is. Let me know what your shave of the day is as well. But yeah, I love reading what you're all. The thoughts of you all sitting there drinking your Bruegel and Pepsi Max, or your cocktails. Lee Hazley, can you drink now? And all Lee's given up alcohol, I think, for a specific period of time. But Lee also makes homebrew. So all you guys out there, just love to hear what you're all doing, sitting on there. Oh, look at this. The video's a little late today, guys. I think I was still fatigued from New York work. Although it's been light, it's been kind of a struggle to get home a little later than normal yesterday. But every day I went in work for Tuesday. Monday was a bank holiday. Went in work Tuesday. Didn't really feel it. Went in work Wednesday, felt it a little bit more. Went in work Thursday, I was really feeling it. Woke up Friday, was quite tired. Woke up this morning after 11 hours straight through sleep and I was shattered. So I've been running around like a headless chicken. I really don't like putting the videos up late. I got in yesterday, repaired my PC. Basically wiped everything off it. So there's nothing on it now, with the exception of Windows 11. And it seemed to work. The PC is now working, so I'm reintroducing limited software gently, because I'll be honest, with the change in my life, oh, sounded like a song that then, didn't it? Just roasting in this bathroom, guys. With the changes that I've gone through in my life over the, well, since COVID really, I now really pretty much only use the PC for leisure. And my wife and daughter don't use it at all. So the only thing I use it for now, really, I'll be honest with you, is my thumbnails, which I do on Canva. I've got Canva software, and I do my thumbnails on Canva. So, but I tried to download Canva after it was all fixed and everything, and it just wouldn't have it. So I went on canva.com and opened my account, and everything was fine. So there's an issue somewhere, but hey ho, it is. This razor, guys, I would say is very efficient now. This blade feels a little rough. It doesn't feel as smooth as the other arcade blades that I have used. So is that the blade? Is it the razor? Or is it me? I have a feeling that's a blade issue. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a blade issue, but I don't think it's arcade blades. I think they make these blades by the trillions, don't they, guys? Every now and again, you're gonna get a rogue one, aren't you? I think that's just what that is. I think there's maybe just a rogue blade. Oh, it's done wonderful. It's shaved fine. It just feels a little rough, right? Lather mittens. Come on. Is that song stuck in your head now? Party on, dancing in September. Oh, oh my word. You know, how much better would that be if I could actually sing? Honestly, guys, I've tried, but I couldn't carry a note in a bucket. Okay, we've got our lather mittens. We just got that one. One little nick, didn't they? Boom. I do recover very quickly. To say I've got such soft skin I've got to be honest with you guys, usually I will finish filming. I usually clean the bathroom down immediately after every shave. And then usually by the time I've finished doing that, and before I even leave the bathroom, we're good to go. And the bleeding has stopped. And that, oh God. That is our shave. Come on, let's do the leaning. Look at that, guys. Not nick there, but let's discount that. That's actually as smooth as a baby's bum. Yay, come on, what is all thinking now? Yes, John. And it looks like one too, so, oh, hang on a minute now. Manufacturers, Hendrix Classics, 3.4 ounces. Nashville, Tennessee. Empire State of Mind, shake vigorously before use. I don't know what that's going to do, but come on, let's have a go. Wow. You see, it's amazing how they're the same scent, but yet you pick up very clearly different notes from the soap than you do from the splash I'm getting now. I'm getting that vetiver. And I'm picking up something else, but I'm not entirely sure what it is. Here we go, bergamot and amber in this. This smells fantastic. There it is there. This is really, really good stuff, guys. Really, really good stuff indeed. So, thank you to all at Pasteurs. Thank you to Mark Davis for that razor. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I've had a rush. And remember, if you want to support the channel, you know, I've got a discount code for the Holy Grail, guys. How cool is that? John 101. Okay, we're done. It's Saturday morning. I'm going to go and edit this. I'm going to cool down. And hopefully the postman will bring me something nice. I stand at the door and I sing a little song my father taught me. He says, postman, postman, don't be slow. Be like Elvis, go and go. Honestly, I'm giddy. Giddy, guys. I'm giddy because, yeah, we're heading into fall. Fall and winter, my two favourite seasons. Right, look after yourselves. Look after each other. And remember, be the change you want to see. That's annoying, that. Be the change that you want to see in the world. And you've changed the world, haven't you? And don't say I can't and I won't. Say I can and I will. Look after yourselves and I will see you all on Wednesday. Let's see if we can pull something a bit special out of the bag. Bye.